Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Feeling overwhelmed by the number of wallpapers on your iPhone and want to declutter your device? In this video, I will show you the simple process of deleting all your wallpapers in just a few steps. Let's go. While you can still access the wallpaper section in your settings, you won't find the delete button there. Now, all wallpaper changes can be easily done through the lock screen. So, if you're a user of iOS, delete wallpaper with ease by following these steps. On your home screen, access the lock screen by swiping down from the notch or locking your phone and then waking it up. Long press anywhere on the screen, and then a new screen with all your wallpapers appears. Browse through the installed variants and choose one to delete. Swipe up on the chosen wallpaper. Tap the trash can icon and delete this wallpaper to confirm. Note, however, that you cannot restore the deleted wallpaper. Any customizations you have made to the wallpaper will be deleted. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.